The Foundry gathers customers and partners and aligns priorities. At Direct Connect, Intel Foundry shares process technology roadmap, advanced packaging momentum, and eco partnerships. San Jose, California, April 29, 2025. Today at Intel Foundry Direct Connect, the company will share the progress on multiple generations on its core process and advanced packaging technologies. The company will also announce the new ecosystem programs and partnership and welcome industry leaders to discuss how a system to foundry approach enables collaboration with partners and unlocks innovation for customers. Intel CEO Lip-Bu Tan will open the event by discussing Intel Foundry progress and priorities as the company drives the next phase on its foundry strategy. Nanga Chandrasekaran, Intel Foundry Chief Technology and Operation Officer, and Kevin Buckley, General Manager of Foundry Services, will also deliver a keynote during the morning session and sharing process and advanced packaging news while highlighting Intel Foundry's globally diverse manufacturing and supply chain. Tan will be joined on stage by ecosystem partners including Synopsys, Cadence, Siemens, EDA, and PDF solutions to highlight collaboration in serving foundry customers. Berkeley will be joined by the executive from the MediaTek, Microsoft, and Qualcomm. Intel is committed to building a world-class foundry that serves a growing need for a leading-edge process technology, advanced packaging, and manufacturing, said Tan. Our number one job is to listen to our customers and earn their trust by creating solutions to enable their success. The work we are doing to drive an energy-first culture across the Intel and strengthening our partnership throughout the foundry ecosystem will help us to advance our strategy, improve our execution, and win in the market long term. Today's announcement encompasses our core process and advanced packaging technology, a milestone in domestic U.S. manufacturing and the ecosystem support required to earn the trust of the foundry customers. They include process technology. The Intel Foundry has engaged with lead customers and Intel 114A process technology, the processor to Intel 18A. The company has distributed to lead customers an early version of the Intel 14A process tech design kit, PDK, and multiple customers has expressed their intent to build test chips on the new process node. The Intel 14A will feature the directive contact power delivery and building on the power via backside power delivery technology in Intel 18A. The Intel 18A is now in the risk production and is expected to reach volume manufacturing this year. Intel Foundry's ecosystem partners have electronics design, automation, EDA, and enablement and reference flow and intellectual property IP ready for a production designs today. The new Intel 18A variant called Intel 18AP is designed to deliver enhanced performance to broader to set of the customer foundry customers. Early wafers based on Intel 18A are in the fab now. Because the Intel 18A-P will be designed a rule compatible with the Intel 18A, IP and the EDA partners have already started updating their offering the variant. Intel 18A EPT is another new variant that builds on the Intel 18A-P performance and power efficiency achieve advancement. Intel 18A PT can be connected to top die using the Foveros Direct 3D with a hybrid bonding interconnect pitch less than 5 micrometers. The Intel Foundry's first production 16 nanometer tape out is in the tape fab now, and the company is engaging with the lead customers on a 12 nanometer node and derivative built in a collaboration with the UMC. So advancing tech packaging. The Intel Foundry offers system-level integrating using Intel 14A on Intel 18A PT connected to our Fabrics Direct 3D stacking and embedded multi-die interconnected bridging 2.5D bridging. So the new advanced packaging technology offering include EMIB-T to enable for future high bandwidth memory needs and to addition to the Fabrics architecture, Fabrics R and Fabrics B provide additional efficient and flexible options for customers. A new engagement with the AMCOOL technology increases customer flexibility in choosing the right advanced packaging technology for their needs. Manufacturing. The Fab 52 in Arizona has successfully run the lot, marking the first wafer processed through the facility and demonstration process progress in domestic manufacturing of leading-edge Intel 18A wafers. So the Intel 18A volume production will begin in Intel Oregon fabs as Arizona manufacturing ramps later this year. Intel 18A and Intel 14A research, development, and wafer production will be US-based. Learn more about Intel Foundry manufacturing capabilities. Ecosystem. New programs have been added to within the Intel Foundry's Accelerator Alliance, Intel Foundry Chiplet Alliance, and Value Chain Alliance, along with a range of advancements from top ecosystem partners. Delivering trusted ecosystem tools and IP. Intel Foundry is supported by a comprehensive portfolio of IP, EDA, and design service solutions delivered by trusted and proven ecosystem partners to drive advancement beyond traditional load scaling. As the newest program in Intel Foundry's Accelerator Alliance, the new Intel Foundry Chiplet Alliance will initially focus on defining and driving infrastructure on advanced technology for government applications and key commercial markets. The Intel Foundry Chiplet Alliance will provide an assured and scalable path for customers looking to deploy designs that leverage interoperable and portable and secure chiplet solutions for targeted applications and markets. And the Intel Foundry Accelerator Alliance and also include IP Alliance, EDA Alliance, and Design Service Alliance, Cloud Alliance, and the USMAG Alliance. About Intel Foundry. The Intel Foundry is a full-service systems foundry dedicated to delivering leading-edge silicon process and advanced packaging technology. We provide an unparalleled brand of industry-leading technology with a rich IP portfolio, a world-class design ecosystem, and optionally resilient global manufacturing supply chain. For further information, visit. So about Intel. Intel is an industry leader creating a world-changing technology that enables global process and enriched lives inspired by the Moore's Law, and we continuously work to advance the design and manufacturing of a semiconductor to help address our customers' greatest challenges by embedding intelligence in the cloud and network edge and every kind of computing device. We unleash the potential of data to transform the business and society for the better. To learn more about Intel's innovations, go to the newsroom.intel.com and intel.com. Next is quite last year's the article. TSMC founder says that Intel has neither a strategy nor a CEO. Intel could have developed more money on a proper AI chips than foundry services. It's still arguably too early to confidently state how successfully Intel's 18A process technology 1.8 nanometer class will be. But in about a year, we should know if the Persinger 5 nodes in a 4 years plan was a success. That said, Intel's failure to offer a competitive AI processor is evident even today, which gives Morris Chang, the co-founder of the TSMC, reason to claim that Intel should have focused on the development of AI processor rather than making chips using leading-edge nodes. The TSMC icon said that Intel had neither a strategy or a new CEO, that finding both will be difficult. I do not know why Pat resigns, said Chang at a press conference dedicated to the publication of his biography. Reuters reported, I do not know if the strategy was bad, his strategy was bad, or if he did not execute it well. Compared with the AI, he seems to focus more than becoming a foundry. Of course, now it seems that Garcia should have focused on AI. Chang's criticism is understandable. Nvidia earns tens of billions of dollars per year selling AI processors, considerably more than TSMC earned on fabbing those chips. If Intel had competitive AI processors, it could make more money than it would on making chips for others. So it's easy to argue that an AI strategy should have been prioritized years ago. When Gersinger took the reins in 2021, his main strategy was focused on IDM 2.0, which involved developing 5 leading-edge process technologies in 4 years and becoming the world's second largest country market of the chips by 2030. While Intel clearly had a product strategy as well, the world has yet to see major products developed under Gelsinger as the CEO. Last month, Intel announced it would miss its $500 million sales target for the Gaudi 3 AI accelerator this year due to the software issues. It usually takes over 3 years to develop, implement, and mass produce a chip. Gaudi 3 was at least partially defined before Gelsinger become the CEO of Intel, so it's impossible to say that he is responsible for this product hardware. Nonetheless, and its sufficient focus on AI software seems evident. The Chang's biography, which recently provided deeper context to his remarks, the memoir chronicles his life from 1964 to 2018 and sheds light on TSMC's key partnerships with companies like Apple and Qualcomm. It also records Intel's decision in the 1980s to decline an invitation to invest in TSMC. Another move that at this point is easy to see hindsight as he missed the opportunity. In the current situation is marked by the uncertainty, with no immediate successor for Gelsinger. Each strategic direction seems the same for now, developing competitive products and retained manufacturing operations, and the means facing the same challenges. And although the Gelsinger is out, the board of directors has yet to say whether the company has defined its revamped strategy for AI. So the next article is the Synopsys announced industry first Ultra Ethernet and UA-Link IP solutions to connect massive AI accelerators clusters. Sunnyvale, California, December 11th, 2024. Synopsys Incorporation today announced the industry-first Ultra Ethernet IP and UA-Link IP solutions, including controller, PHY, and verification IP to meet the demand of the standard-based high bandwidth and low latency HPC and IP AI accelerator interconnect. Edge hyperscale data center infrastructure evolved to support the processing of a trillion of parameters in large language models. They must scale the 200 of thousands of accelerators with highly efficient and fast connections. Synopsys Ultra Ethernet and the UA-Link IP will provide a holistic, low-risk solution for high-speed and low-latency communication to scale up and scale out AI architectures. For more than 25 years, Synopsys has been at the forefront of providing best-in-class IP solutions that enable designers to accelerate the integration of standard-based functionality, said Niraj Paliwal, Senior Vice President of IP Product Management at Synopsys. When the industry, the first Ultra Ethernet and the UA-Link IP, companies can get a head start of developing a new generation of high-performance chips and systems with broad interoperability to scale future AI and HPC infrastructure. So the Synopsys Ultra Ethernet IP solution supports scaling out to 1 million endpoints. Advanced capabilities to use Synopsys Ultra Ethernet IP solutions include IP solution to scale out a backend network consisting of a PHY, MAC, and PCS controller and verification IP. The Synopsys the Ultra Ethernet IP solutions offers a low-risk path for designers developing systems that can support up to 1 million endpoints in a single network. Best-in-class to 224 gigabit Ethernet PHY IP, the silicon-proven Synopsys 2 and 24 gigabit Ethernet PHY IP, which supports the Ultra Ethernet protocol, has demonstrated broad interoperability as shown in the multiple trade shows, including ECOC, OFS, and DesignCon. The patent era correction implementation. The Synopsys Ultra Ethernet, MAC, and MAC, and PCS controller IP provides up to 1.6 terabps of bandwidth with ultra-low latency and enabling the real-time processing needed for AI workloads. The seamless integration. The MAC and PCS IP support on interface to the higher layer of the Ultra Ethernet stack provide a full silicon implementation for switches, AI accelerators, and smart NICs, accelerated verification validation. The Synopsys Ultra Ethernet verification IP helps ensure protocol adherence to the rapidly evolving standards and enabling faster and more efficient validation and AI and HPC systems. Sorry, I have many mistakes. Juniper has already introduced the industry first 800 gigabit Ethernet capabilities with its PTX 10002 and 36QDD packet transport routers, which utilizes our proprietary Express 5 ASIC. With the Synopsys Ethernet IP, said Basu, Senior Vice President of the Juniper Engineering, we will continue to partner with the Synopsys and leverage the latest technology from the Ultra Ethernet Consortium UEC to transition into the 1.6 terabit era. This indicates our ongoing innovation in high-speed networking to achieve our goal to significantly improve scale and reliability and performance in the data center network. This is particularly important as AI workloads continue to grow exponentially, making such a network much more efficient and cost-effective. The Synopsys UA-Link IP solution enables massive increase in AI compute capacity. Advanced capabilities of the new Synopsys UA-Link IP solution include IP solution to scalable computing fabric, consisting of PHY, control and verification IP, and Synopsys UA-Link IP solution speed up time to market for designers developing systems that can support to a 1,000 to 1,024 AI accelerators. Efficient and high-speed data transfer, engineers for data-intensive AI workloads, the raw power and high bandwidth Synopsys UA-Link PHY IP provide 200 Gbps per lane. Latency optimized with memory sharing capabilities, Synopsys UA-Link controller IP helps mitigate critical bottlenecks of the AI hardware infrastructure via shared memories access from accelerator to accelerator. Built-in protocol checks. The Synopsys UA-Link verification IP combined with the Synopsys hardware-assisted verification solutions provide quick and reliable verification for AI hardware. Synopsys had decades of expertise in contributing to the industry essential interconnect standards and delivering widely adopted high-speed interfacing IP, said Curtis Bowman, chairperson of the board at the UA-Link Consortium. We appreciate Synopsys' commitment to enabling UA-Link IP to create a scalable and high-performance data center ecosystem for designers to meet the growing demands of AI models. Additional industry leaders collaborate with the Synopsys to enable AI accelerated interconnect at scale. Advancing AI technology requires industry-wide effort to create a high-performance solution essential to the future of the data center, said Robert Hermuth, the corporate vice president, architecture and strategy, data center solution group at AMD. The introduction of the Synopsys Ultra Ethernet and the UA-Link IP, alongside AMD high-performance processors, highlighted the commitment to create an open and robust scaling ecosystem for large-scale AI and high-performance computing. The progress of the AI technology relies on the industry collaboration to deliver a scalable and power-efficient high-performance accelerator fabric, said Chris Patterson, fellow technology and ecosystems at Astra Labs. New interconnect technology such as UA-Link will help support the rapid growth and complexity of AI and HPC workloads. We congratulate the Synopsys on the delivery of each new IP solutions to enable the critical connectivity ecosystem. Participating in defining and developing an open standard-based AI Synopsys communications is an important part of the Tensor Torrent charter. The low latency and high bandwidth of the upcoming UEC and the UA-Link standards will enable ultra-efficient interfaces supporting AI compute with multi-trillion parameters models, and David benefits chief customers official Torrent and Torrent RISC-V chips and Synopsys UA-Link and Ultra Ethernet IP will scale enable the largest AI accelerator customers to keep pace with the exponential growth in AI model parameters and compute requirement. Hyperscalers needs to address the immense connectivity challenges, said Gary Fan, CEO at the XCON, with the XCON UA-Link switches and Synopsys new UA-Link IP system architecture can deploy the high-performance and standard compliant systems for future AI computing and networking architecture. Availability and additional resources. The Synopsys Ultra Ethernet IP solutions, including MAC, PCS, PHY, and verification IP, is scheduled to available in the first half of the 2025. The Synopsys UA-Link IP solution, including controller, PHY, and verification IP, is scheduled to be available in the second half of the 2025. About Synopsys, catalyzing the era of pervasive pervasive intelligence. Synopsys Incorporation delivers trusted and comprehensive silicon to system design solutions, from electronic design and automation to silicon IP and verification and validation. We partner closely with the system semiconductor and system customers across a range of the industry to maximize their R&D capability and productivity as powering innovation today and ignite the ingenuity of tomorrow. Learn more at synopsys.com. This next one is the cadence to acquire an ARM Artisan Foundation IP business. Transaction will augment the cadence, expanding the design IP portfolio and accelerate growth opportunity. San Jose, California, April 16, 2025. Cadence announced that it has entered into a definitive agreement with ARM to acquire ARM's the Partisan Foundation IP business, considering standard cell library, memory compiler, and general purpose IOs, GPIOs optimized for advanced process technology nodes at the leading foundries. The transition will augment Cadence expanding design IP offering and anchored by leading a portfolio of protocol and interface IP as memory interface IP and ZS IP at the most advanced nodes, and embedded security IP from the pending security IP acquisition. By increasing its footprint and SoC designs, Cadence is reinforcing its commitment to continuously accelerate customers' time to market and to optimize their cost, power, and performance on the world's leading foundry processes. Cadence will acquire the ARM and Partisan Foundation IP business through an asset purchase agreement with a concurrent technology license agreement to be signed and closing and subject to any existing rights. As part of the transaction, Cadence will acquire a highly talented and experienced engineer team that is well respected to the industry and can help accelerate developing both related and new IP products. During its 25-year history, ARM's Partisan IP has established a strong presence and reputation in the global ecosystem of foundries and SoC partners. With the expected addition of the Partisan IP business and teams, Cadence will enter the foundation IP market, enabling youth capitalize on the growth of the opportunities. And Boyd Phelps, Vice President and General Manager of Silicon Solutions Group at Cadence. In doing so, they will gain the key technology and expertise augment our design services and chipless offerings, enabling us to deliver a comprehensive IP strategy to provide a greater value to our customers. By leveraging the full Cadence stack of the IP library tools and service, we strive to improve PPA while growing the foundation IPs. So we are committed to ensuring that the foundation physical IP needed to deploy an ARM technology across the all target continue to available to ecosystem, said Kevora Kasian, Executive Vice President of Solution Engineering, the ARM. The Artisan brand is well established, and we believe that this technology will continue to play a significant role as a semiconductor industry in the future, and the Cadence is the ideal partner to take it forward. The transition is anticipated to close the third quarter of 2025, subject to a receipt of the regulatory approval and other customary closing conditions. The acquisition is expected to immaterial to the revenue and earnings this year. About Cadence. Cadence is a market leader in an AI and digital twins and pioneering the application of the computational software to accelerate innovation in the engineering design of the silicon systems. Our design solutions based on Cadence intelligent system design strategy are essential for the world leading semiconductor and system companies to build their next generation product, from chips to full electromechanical systems that serve a wide range of markets, including hyperscale computing, mobile communications, automotive, aerospace, industrial, life sciences, and robotics. In 2024, Cadence was recognized by the Wall Street Journal as one of the world's top 10, top 100 best managed companies. Cadence Solutions offers limited opportunities. Learn more at cadence.com. Today, thank you for your time. See you next time.